Hello students, my name is Rajan Kumar. I am going to discuss quadratic equation. This chapter belongs to class 10 mathematics. In this video, I will discuss you question on the base of mensuration, and it is very important question. Okay, now I am going to read the question. What is the read of the question is there? Look, a farmer prepares a rectangular vegetable garden. है ना? यानी farmer going to prepare a vegetable rectangular garden whose area is given 180 square meter, and this garden is surrounded by 39 meter barbed wire. He can fence the three sides of the garden, and by this wire he is going to fence three sides of the garden. And as we know that in a rectangle four sides, because it is a quadrilateral, so only three sides is fenced, one side is unfenced. Now question is there, which type of side is unfenced? The leaving one of the longer side unfenced, and suppose length is unfenced. Okay, now find the dimension of the garden. That means we have to find the length and breadth of the garden. Now look here. I suppose this is the garden. Okay, this is a rectangular shape. This is the garden. Okay, length of this garden is x. Okay, I have written. Area of the garden is 180 meter squares. Length of wire for fencing is 39 meter. First, I suppose length of rectangular garden is x. Clear? Now, how could we find the breadth? Because area is given, and you know the formula, area equal to length into breadth. By using this formula, we can find the breadth in the term of x. Okay, so length is supposed to be, length of the garden is supposed to be x. Okay, here, so breadth equal to area upon length. Yani area is 180 meter square by length, that is x meter. That means final unit will be meter, 180 by x. Now question is there, the length of three side fenced. So here it is fenced, breadth it is fenced, another breadth it is fenced, and this longer side is fenced. That means length is fenced. One length is unfenced. That means breadth, length, breadth. Three sides are fenced and total length of wire is 39 meter. So here we could say, here I just write here 39 meter, unitless it is. Okay. So here I suppose length is x. I have written x, 180 by x one breadth, 180 by x for another breadth. So x plus 180 by x plus 180 by x equal to 39 meter. So look here, x means x, 180 by x, 180 by x, when they are added, x will be the LCM, upper number will be same, 180 become 360 by x. That is equal to 39. Now, do the simplification form. X square plus 360 by x equal to 39. X will go this side, multiply. That means x square plus 360 equal to 39x. I just said this 39x in LHS. X square minus 39x plus 360 equal to 0. Now, question is there, how could we find the value of x? Simple it is, x can be found by the factorization method. Of which type of factorization? The splitting of middle term. Here it is 1 and here it is 360. 1 and 360 multiplied, we are getting 360. Now do the prime factor. 2 divide 360, 180. 2 divide 180, 90. 2 divide 90 become 45. 3 divide 45 become 15 and 3 divide 15 become 5. So you just take it 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5. Here 2 is coming 3 times. 3 is coming 2 times, 5 is coming 1 time. There is the prime factorization of 360. So what I do? 2 3 times and 3 1 times, I just keep in one group. So what coming? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 24. 24 will come in one group. And 3 to 5, 15. 24 and 15 multiplied, again 360 coming. And when you are added both factor 24 and 15, it will come 39x. 39x. That means splitting of middle term is what is the coefficient of x square and what is the constant term. When you do the product, what answer is coming, that answer we have to write in the product of factors, and the sum of both factors, the difference of both factors should be the middle term, that means coefficient of x. Now, in the place of minus 39, we can write minus 24, minus 15, and x you write along with them. Now, do the factorization. From first two term and last two term you have to take common. From first two term you have taken common, the x is taken common, x remaining, minus 24 remaining. If you have taken common with minus 15 from this term, so here it is 15 taken common, so minus 15 if you take common, the x remaining and here 24. Okay, the x minus 24 is a common term, it is out. Now x minus 15 is remaining, equal to 0. Now, this is the first factor and this is the second factor. Both factor I will discuss by the case 1, case 2. In case 1, x minus 24 equal to 0, the x equal to 24 meter. That means, what is this? Here x is the length is 24 meter. What should be the breadth? We know the formula, breadth equal to 180 by x, 180 by 24. You just divide up and down by 12. 12 into 15, 180, so 15 times, and 12 to the 24, 2 times. 15 by 2, 7.5 meter, and that means 7.5 meter. That means length of this rectangular garden should be 24 meter long and 7.5 meter broad. Now, if I go with the second factor, I just write here second factor, case 2, x minus 15 equal to 0, x equal to 15, that means length equal to 15, then breadth equal to 180 by 15, that means 12 meter. Confirm my dear? Any problem? Have you anybody? Okay? Now, so both answer is accepted because length can be 24, breadth can be 7.5, both are accepted, both are natural number, we can use, and length can be 15 and breadth can be 12, both are accepted. So here two value of x and two value of y coming, because it is a quadratic equation, two answer will come. Suppose the answer is coming in negative length breadth, so it is non-accepted. They are not accepted. Why not accepted? Because length and breadth, they are the measurement of length, their distance never be negative because it is a scalar quantity. Now student, I am going to discuss one more question regarding mensuration, and the question is based on right angle triangle. Okay, in right angle triangle already we know that hypotenuse is the longest side and other two sides is lesser than that side. Okay, now next question is there. Question is what? The length of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle exceed the length of the base by 2 centimeter and exceed the twice the length of altitude by 1 centimeter. So look here, I just make a figure of right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle, this is the hypotenuse, this is the perpendicular, and this is the base. This is the question number second. Now here it is. What the question is there? Here it is, question is told the length of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle exceed the length of the base by 2 centimeter. And in here hypotenuse greater than breadth by 2 centimeter. That is h minus b equal to 2 centimeter. This is the first evidence we got from the question list. Okay. Now the pattern it is, here it is, and exceed the twice the length of altitude by 1, and here hypotenuse also greater than perpendicular by how much? Exceed, hypotenuse exceed twice the length of perpendicular by what? 1. Twice exceed the twice of length of perpendicular by 1. That means, what is the length of perpendicular? If you multiply by 2 and added with 1, that is the length of hypotenuse. How could we run for this? Simple, it is. You just look, this is the case 1 and this is the case 2. In both cases, here hypotenuse is the common term. You suppose hypotenuse as x, and you can suppose b as x. Let go with the b. Let base is x. So h minus b equal to 2, h minus x equal to 2. So hypotenuse equal to x plus 2. This is the hypotenuse value. Now here it is, from 1 it is, from equation 1. Okay, from equation 1. Okay, now hypotenuse equal to 2b plus 1. So 2p equal to hypotenuse minus 1. So p equal to hypotenuse minus 1 by 2. So here it is, perpendicular equal to, put the value of hypotenuse, x plus 2 minus 1 by 2, that is x plus 1 by 2. This is the length of perpendicular. Use the Pythagoras. In triangle ABC, right? This is the name of triangle ABC. This is angle B is 90 degree. Okay, angle B is 90 degree. Now we know that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square due to Pythagoras theorem. Now we have to solve this one. Okay, how it is used? So we can say P is x plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, I have written there just like this. P square plus B square equal to x square. Both are same. I want to write P and B beside. That this is x plus 1 by 2 whole square and B suppose x, and here hypotenuse suppose what? Hypotenuse is x plus 2. Now we have to solve this one. Okay, go with this. Here x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by 4 equal plus x square equal to x square 4x plus 4. Now this is 1. I have to solve this one. So look at this. Here x square 2x plus 1 plus 4x square equal to 4x square plus 16x plus 16. Now 4x square should be cancelled. Now all numbers sent this side, x square, 16x come this side, minus 14x. Now 16 will come this side, minus 15 equal to 0. We have to do the factorization of this term. What should come? So here it is, I will write. Okay. Now it is 1 and it is 15. 1 into 15 become 15 and 15 minus 1 become 40. Now we write here x square minus 14x minus 15 equal to 0. Okay, 15 equal to 0. So here it is, we just write there x square minus 15x plus x minus 15 equal to 0. We just take common x minus 15. We just take common 1, x minus 15 equal to 0. So I have two factor, x minus 15 and x plus 1. Okay, now get 0. Case 1, x minus 15 equal to 0, x equal to 15. Okay, 15 meter. So here it is, hypotenuse is x, that is 15 meter. Confirm? Hypotenuse is x, that is 15 meter. Look at this properly. Okay, hypotenuse is x, that is 15 meter. Now, what is the value of base? Base equal to, hypotenuse not, this is the base. Base equal to x equal to 15, 2 meter. Base equal to x equal to 15 meter and hypotenuse equal to x plus 2. That is 15 plus 2, 70 meter. Clear? And what is the length of perpendicular? Perpendicular equal to x plus 1 by 2. So here x plus 1 by 2, that is 15 plus 1 by 2 become 8 meter. Clear? This is the case 1. Now look for the case 2. Case 2, what is this? X plus 1. X plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. It is invalid because distance never be negative. Very nice. So I think so you understand what I discussed today, and I hope you will practice on a copy and you will solve this one question by yourself. Thank you, my dear. Wait for the next video. Bye bye.